Right out of the gate, this traffic stop is already heating up. The officer spots what he believes is marijuana shake on the floorboard, and the driver immediately pushes back. Now, here's why this matters. In most states, visible suspected contraband gives officers probable cause to investigate further. That can mean searches, field tests, and potentially an arrest. But notice the tone. This isn't calm agreement. It's challenge versus authority. The officer says he'll test it. The driver says it's not weed. So now the entire stop pivots from a simple traffic violation to a credibility showdown. Buckle up, because this is about to turn into more than just a speeding ticket.
I didn't say I went around the smoke. I said I dropped somebody off. I was in the house where they...
There's weed shake on the floor anyway.
Man, that is not weed shake. That's asphalt. I would assume it's wood.
That is a piece of weed.
That is not weed. That's dirt.
Okay, I'll tell you this. I'll test it, and if it tests positive, I'll take you to jail.
I don't have no problem with it.
Okay, cool. You don't think that's going to test for weed?
No, I do not.
Well, that is weed. Here, take a look at that.
It do look like weed.
That was weed.
Alright, it's stopped. Tax 71 1050. Florida Tag Delta Foxtrot Zulu, Mike 1-2. It's going to be 2 Lennox. Gray Ford Fusion with 1.
Back to 28 out back. That was for Orange County, but our
It can't be no traffic stop. Because I'm parked.
That's not a thing. Just because you go on the driveway does not give you the whole
Okay, but I'm saying, what traffic stop? What violation did I commit?
give you all of that as soon as you can do it. I'll give
You got a license for him?
I'm pulling up right now.
Listen, okay.
I feel
I'm
like
gonna tell you
I'm
this
being
for
harassed.
No, I'm gonna tell you this for
I understand.
You're either going to give him the stuff that he's
I'm
asking for,
pulling it up right
or
now.
we're going to
It's
go
on
back
my
there,
email.
or
It's on my
you're saying the
email.
registration is?
No, this is a rental car. He asked me for the rental car.
Okay,
payment, and
that's
I'm
fine.
pulling it up.
All right, go ahead, man.
Oh, but that's foolishness, man.
Just
I feel like I'm...
Wait.
driveway does not give you a safe space.
Yeah, what?
I understand that, but what I'm saying is I didn't commit no infraction.
Yes,
This is what I
you were
said.
speeding. We paced you with our calibrated speedometer southbound on Ivy Lane, traveling above the 35-mile-per-hour speed limit.
Excuse me. This is what I seen. When I made a left turn down there on Ivy Lane at that light, it was a Dodge Charger, gray Dodge Charger. I looked directly at him. He looked directly at me. He made a U-turn.
Do me a favor. Get to your right at about your 5 o'clock.
There's a gray Dodge Charger sitting over there. The one.
What the?
See this Dodge Charger that's right there?
Yes, that's the one that was at the light down there.
He
You
already
looked
has
directly
that,
at
so-
me. You made a U-turn.
Hey, Matt.
So I did
Go ahead and
not.
run him.
Here's where things shift into classic roadside debate territory. The officer states the vehicle was paced above 35 miles per hour. Pacing is a legitimate enforcement method. Officers match your speed using their calibrated speedometer over a measured distance. It doesn't require radar if done properly. The driver believes a stop was triggered by the U-turn and thinks he was targeted. The officer says it was strictly speeding. Now, this is a common perception gap. Drivers often assume intent. They flipped around for me. Officers often see it as routine patrol. So let me ask you, if you see a cruiser make a U-turn after you pass, are you thinking coincidence or spotlight? And legally speaking, if pacing was done correctly, that's valid evidence in court. But the tension here, it's not just about miles per hour, it's about
Go ahead
trust.
and run him.
Yeah, I'm clean, but I'm just saying that is the reason I'm being pulled over.
Yeah, Papa Charlie, right? Okay. Pretty obvious.
That's
Coming from work?
no, I'm about to go to work. That's foolishness, man. I feel like I'm being straight.
So I tell you what, we'll get the registration in a minute. Go ahead and just set your phone down. And go ahead and step out of the vehicle. Keep your hands up where I can see them. Just keep them up for me. Thanks. Come on back to the car. Go to the truck. Just put your hands on that bar right there. Spread your feet wide for me. Is there any other weed inside the car, or did you smoke it all? Okay, where's that person at now? Okay. Was he smoking in your car, or was he smoking and then he got in the car? Alright. Because it's all over you too, dude. No, not at all. Alright, go ahead and turn around and just lean up on here. Alright, so based on the way you smell, you were definitely around that smoke. It wasn't just in the car.
I didn't say I went around the smoke. I said I dropped somebody off. I was in a house where they smoking.
Okay. Okay.
And that is not weed shit. That's asphalt. Well, no weed rolled in that car. I just got that car yesterday.
Okay.
I understand y'all doing y'all job, but don't harass me. If I commit or some violation while with speed, something, I would have said that.
You were speeding.
That is a piece of weed.
That is not weed, that's dirt.
Okay, I'll tell you this. I'll test it, and if it tests positive, I'll take you to jail.
I don't have
Now
no...
we're in investigative mode. The officer asked him to step out. That's completely lawful during a traffic stop under established case law for officer safety. Then comes a smell of marijuana. Odor alone in many jurisdictions can provide probable cause to search. The driver insists he wasn't smoking in the car and says he was just around it earlier. That explanation is possible, but from an officer's standpoint, smell plus visible green material equals reasonable suspicion stacking up quickly. Notice how the officer stays direct but controlled. The driver says harassment, the officer says numbers game. Here's the real tension. When someone believes they're being profiled, emotions spike fast. But from a procedural lens, the officer is articulating speed, odor, and visible substance. Do you think this was by-the-book policing or unnecessary escalation?
Jail.
I don't have no problem with that.
Okay, cool, sweet.
I got test kits in here.
You don't think that's gonna test for weed?
No, I do not.
Well, that is weed. Here, take a look at that.
It do look like weed, but I wasn't smoking in the car. It looked like weed.
It is weed.
It might be dirt.
We
I
do
work
it for
in
a living.
asphalt. I
No, it's
understand
not.
y'all do. I used to run the streets for a living. Now I'm working, doing what I'm supposed to do.
So here's
And I
all.
don't feel like-
Here's all it is. All right. Harassment doesn't have anything to do with it. 'Cause you're no different than anyone else out here. The only difference is you're driving in a way that draws attention to us. And if you're committing a traffic violation, we have the ability to stop you, and we did. That's it.
And I totally understand that. But listen, when I made that left turn down at that light, the same Dodge Charger, I didn't commit no violation. Did a U-turn, and that's what.
Well, let me ask you this. How do you know they weren't just doing a U-turn anyways? How do you know that we're not tasked with just patrolling Ivy Lane, and when they got to the end of it, they just turned around? Not everything's like a personal attack on you.
Right, but so how did they? I pulled in the yard. You went that way. I seen that gray van right there.
They paced you way up there. It had nothing to do with us turning into here.
No, it didn't, because when he made that U-turn, he was locked in on this car. I know how it worked, man. That's why I seen the gray van right there. I used to be in the street, but I'm working now, so if I commit a violation, then okay, I did that, right here, ticket, take me to jail, but I'm doing
and here's the
what's
deal.
right.
There's like 10 of us out here working, 10 different cars. So if you think people are out to get you, just wait. Just driving around, and if you're that good that you know what all the cop cars look like, you can spot all 10 on Ivy Lane as you drive right now.
No,
just because you see them doesn't mean they're looking for you. That doesn't mean they're out to get you.
They're looking for me.
Well, that you're saying you're getting harassed, then what does that mean?
I see y'all pulled over, how y'all rush cars, how y'all stereotype. He seen me, let's go fuck with
Well,
this.
hold on, Travis. What's different about you?
No, we just talking.
What's different about you than anyone else out here?
You just talking, and he come out right at traffic. That's wrong.
Well, this is his stop, for one. And for two, what's different about you? Why do you stand out here? It can't be because you're black, because everyone's black out here. It can't be because you're young, because everyone's young out here.
What I'm saying is, in y'all field of work, y'all trained to pick certain whatever. So whatever y'all seen, y'all must have said, well, dang, let's go.
So you're saying with the job that I do, every single person I stop, I'm harassing, and I'm specifically targeting that person?
No, I'm not.
Dude, we target vehicles that are committing traffic infractions, and we stop them. That's it. For us, it's a numbers game. If we stop 100 cars a day, we're going to find one guy with a gun in it, and then we're good.
To be real, which one of y'all actually pulled me over?
Him.
So you saying I actually committed a violation?
Yeah, you were speeding down Ivy Lane.
Dude, speed limit's
We're
only
actually
31.
writing you a ticket right now for it.
I understand that, but what car you was in?
The Charger, I'm driving it.
Okay, so where did I commit a speed infraction?
You were driving above 35 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour speed zone.
And it's 35 miles per hour the whole length of Ivy.
This is what I'm talking about, is harassment. It is, I didn't do it. You telling me I'm going with the flow of traffic. Obvious, y'all passed me. So you must have went faster than me. But
you slowed down for traffic. We passed you up to the bus. You remember when you stopped completely at the bus, and then the left lane started moving and the right lane didn't?
With traffic?
How you doing, sir? Are you trying to get out of here?
No.
Oh, okay. We should be done in just a minute.
That's a stepson. I don't know what.
Oh, stepson was just driving a little fast is all.
Oh, he's driving a little fast.
Yeah, he's not in any real trouble, just driving a little quick.
Oh, okay.
Because, you know, on Ivy Lane out here, it's only 35 miles per hour, so it's kind of easy to get out above that.
Yeah.
So that's it. We'll be done with him in just a minute.
All right.
You have a nice afternoon, sir.
You were speeding. We pulled you over for speeding.
That's your job to say I was speeding. If I was speeding, I would have been gone.
Listen, sir, our cars are calibrated. Our speedometers are calibrated. They are accurate. We
Okay.
pace your car.
How could you pace my car if you was not, from the time you made that U-turn, you was 2-3 cars back. I stopped at the bus by the time you got up, anywhere 2-3 cars up. I'm watching you from the time you get there.
We can pace
3 to 5 minutes.
I understand. I'm in the wrong. Y'all just do it and I'm speeding. Why you
Speeding, yes. We're wrong.
that's y'all reason for justified stop.
And when you continue to drive, you need to stay off your phone, okay? Because you were on your phone when you passed on by.
What happened to your car? Did you stop it? I just don't feel like I'll be getting stopped 2-3 times. They feel like a flat.
So what happened to why do you have the rental? What happened to your car? Did you get in the crash?
Motherfuckers out here got guns, drugs, killing, murder.
You realize every person we stopped says that.
9084.
And like I said,
if y'all would have, if I would, this would have been 10, 15 years ago, we wouldn't even talk because I would have been gone from the time I said
all right.
Out there in lane 1 ahead.
Let's break this down. The stop began with suspected speeding, verified by pacing. It escalated when the officer observed what he believed was marijuana residue and claimed to smell smoke. Legally, those factors can justify further investigation. The driver strongly believed he was being targeted and challenged the stop at nearly every step. From the officer's perspective, it was traffic enforcement plus probable cause indicators. From the driver's perspective, it felt like harassment. That disconnect is something we see often in real-world policing, perception versus procedure.
so if you want to tell us where the guys with guns and drugs are, we'll go do that.
I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you, I'm doing what's right. I'm working, I'm taking care of my family, doing it, and I should be.
Southbound passage,
What do you do for work?
I do asphalt.
Trying to get a better look at it.
You don't find everything, search the car, do whatever.
It's about to pass through Kirkland.
And I'm almost willing to tell you the test. Because I ain't smoke, I don't even smoke. With my job, I'm a CL driver, work on asphalt, I can't even smoke. So I got that car yesterday.
I'm not accusing you of smoking weed, sir.
No, but when you said you found the weed.
Someone smoked in your car. Do they drug test you guys?
All the time. Random drug test, get the job, all the time.
I know they're serious about that.
What kind of truck you drive?
Sack truck.
A what?
Sack truck.
What is that?
They do asphalt there. Later out.
Like the one that actually drops the asphalt down?
It's called tech. It's like glue between the layers of asphalt.
The Honda, right? Yeah, it should be like blue with tint. Yeah, he rolled his windows down. He was looking back at you guys. Oh, all right. That's a good
You going to it. I see you.
Horizontal 23.
What's your name?
Here you go, sir. Slow down for me, okay?
Dr. Grant's black.
Sir.
Horizontal 24.